and there we go, and it's flying. So this is the physical drone that I'm building. So let me get straight to the point. We have to install Omniverse, which is by Nvidia, and once you have Omniverse launcher, as you see here, we have to go into Exchange, install IsaacSim, and then launch it. Once we have launched IsaacSim and verify that everything is working, then we go to the Python side of things. I took all this code from Isaac Lab. There is already a code for running the simulation with the drone, or let's say quadcopter, and there we go. The propellers are moving, but it's not flying. So what happens in these simulations is that we are not actually simulating the wind, so that we have to give separate forces on each motor, like how much force it exerts on the ground plane. It is what mimics the flying of the drone. Yep, and it does not work. So I guess what is happening here is that I have positioned the drone too close to the ground and it's somehow drifting because of that. So what do we do? Yep, that's right. We'll do it the scientific way. We'll just simply change the value until it gets stable. Cheers, the scientific way. Trial and error. And as you see, no wonders here, it starts working. Now, instead of having this boring old simple environment, let's put it in a room, because let's be honest, we'll be flying this in a room. I think I disable the forces and it's not flying. So let's just have a look at the room, and as you see, the physically simulated room flying in the air. So the thing is, there is gravity, but it's not applied to the outer mesh. I have added a small if loop where for 300 milliseconds, or just say 300 frames, it will keep climbing up, having a little extra thrust, and after 300 frames it should just stabilize, hover in a place, or maybe most likely it will just come down. So yep, it started coming down. I think it's not stable. We have to have variable forces for it to be stable in a place, and then you will see as soon as it hits the table, there should be some collision. So the cool thing about these simulations is you can have many more just like this. Pretty cool, right? Now what do you see is a reinforcement learning environment. What is happening is these drones are trying to reach that red cube, and they're going through a trial and error process where through some reward function they will constantly try to reach that red cube. So just to give a teaser, ta-da! So this is the physical drone that I'm building. So in the next video we'll do sim to real transfer, where all the policies or all the things that the drone has learned in the RL policy, will apply it into the real world to this drone and fly it around in our room. So yep, subscribe and wait for the next video, I guess. Thank you.